Hi fellows, we are doing a test run on a Vauxhall Insignia. Came in with a DPF problem and some other problems. It's good job the driver is also mechanical minded and a handyman. He took the DPF himself. He came in for cleaning. Anyway, the job is done now. See what he has to say about his car. And how is your car driving?
Much better.
Much better?
Oh yes.
How
Much
was it before
powerful.
and how is it now?
It was like an old lady on the road, slowly. It was completely blocked. And, it was horrible to drive it. I couldn't go overtake anyone because I've lost power. And now I can feel
The difference.
Yeah, so much different. Now it looks like a new car. Double the torque, power, completely
Everything.
different.
So,
Brand new car.
are you satisfied or happy overall? What would you say?
100% satisfied.
Yeah, satisfied. Thank you very much. Wishing you luck. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194. You can find us on Google or yale.com. Thanks for watching.